Discover AI's role in shaping Calendly's user experience and product innovation journey.
Head of User Experience at Calendly.
Hello, what's up, y'all? My name is Stephen Shu. I am the Chief Product Officer of the beloved scheduling platform that is Calendly.
And I'm Jess Clark, Head of User Experience at Calendly. We're building products to help you be easier to meet people, achieve your outcomes, and close deals. Before this, I led design teams at LinkedIn. One of the first projects I had in AI was building recommendation products for product onboarding.
Yep. So all that recommendation AI work that you're all using on LinkedIn today, connecting with each other, a lot of that was Jess's work. Myself, I've been in AI, working on AI for about 8 years now. I've built AI chatbots before the current wave, revenue intelligence products, and even AI developer tools. And at Calendly, we are experimenting a lot with AI, not just within the product, but across the entire customer experience. And that's what we're here to talk to you about today. How we're leveraging it, what are the best practices that we have observed out there, as well as things that you probably should not be doing. All right, so let's get started. Actually, one thing. By a show of hands, may I ask, if you've ever clicked on a Calendly link before, can you raise your hands? That is everyone. All right. Thank you very much for using our products. So you all know that we removed the difficult back and forth of email scheduling, right? That was the pain point that we solved with scheduling links. If you ask our founder, Tope, what he's the most proud of when it comes to Calendly, is that he changed the habits of people all over the world 10 years ago. Now, there were a lot of companies doing it, but Calendly made the mark. We changed those habits. And that's what we're going to talk about in terms of AI, how to change habits of our customers across the entire experience.
And beyond that, we're also just product builders, really passionate about building products that help people be more successful and productive every day. AI truly has the power to transform the customer experience within an app, across apps, and in every way that products overlap with our human experience.
But first, let's talk about the current climate, because I'm sure all of us have been saying, oh, the pace of innovation of AI is so fast changing. But let's, for today, just be on the same page, and I'll just describe what we are seeing in the current climate. We can all nod our heads and say that's where we are today, and tomorrow will change. There have been many waves of AI over the past few decades, and many of us have seen it. But what's different about this wave? Well, I would say, for one, consumer expectations have shot through the roof. Consumers all over the world are adopting AI faster than ever before. As a result, their expectations when it comes to simple, intuitive experiences with your company are up there, higher than ever before. Number two, with these macroeconomic conditions, those budgets are tightened, which means they have to make sure that any AI tool they adopt has to have high ROI. Shelfware is not going to cut it anymore. I used to work at a big company before. Shelfware just sat there, right? And that was basically what SaaS was for a long time of the last decade. With AI tools, if it's not working, if it's not being adopted, it's being thrown out the door. And so there's a big challenge and transition we're doing right now in our industry, which is beyond the delight moment with AI. How do you get that retentive experience, not just within the app, but everywhere else? Now, remember about several years ago, all this talk about the consumerization of the enterprise? We don't hear those words as much anymore, but it's still relevant. It's even more relevant because AI now is a part of that.
And now, user experience, which was considered a nice-to-have before, is really critical to the buyer journey. So when buyers are thinking about what AI products they're going to bring into their organization, they're really thinking about that user experience and making sure there's a clear return on investment for bringing that product in and making sure that their organization is productive. So AI acceleration is fanning the flame of product-led growth and changing the way that we all think about SaaS.